niyo po ako? Hello? Pero kakantahan ko na po kayo. Music po, please! Some people live for fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play. Some people think that the fruits of countries define what's within. And I hear that before that life's so full of the superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want for a fountain, promises forever young. You know, some people live because of say, and that's the only way that you can live. Hey, the world is super pattern, and what good will be? Dahil po dyan, inom muna ako ng tubig. Wait lang. Magpunas daw ako ng pawis. At gusto ko po mag-thank you kay Mayor Magno Wailan at sa Sangguniang Bayan members. Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite po sa akin. And happy Fiesta po sa Tolan Union! Happy Fiesta po sa inyong lahat! Thank you po sa pag-invite sa akin. Sa Tolan Union, thank you so much. At dahil po dyan, okay lang po ba isa pa pong kanta? Okay lang? Okay, please give it up for my dancers. And music po, please. Someone's hungry, I think they're okay. They don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can't beg it, they can't believe it, they can't see the light. Cause a boy with the cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. We are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Some boys romance, some boys romance, that's alright to see. If they can't raise my interest, then I have to let them be. Some boys try, some boys lie, but I don't let them play. Cause a boy that save their pennies make my rainy day. We are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Experience has made me rich, and now that I'm lonely, cause everybody's living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. A material girl. I made it through the wilderness, somehow I made it through. Didn't know how it starts until I found you. I was free, incomplete. I could have, I was sad and blue, but you made me. Yeah, you made me feel shiny and new, like you made it. Love for the first time, like you made it. With your heartbeat, that's your mind, but I give you all my love, boy. My fear is fading by. Been saving it all for you, 'cause only love can last. You're so fine, and you're bad, strong. Yeah, you make me fall, got your love back. Yeah, you love back, oh, it's getting cold. goodbye po sa akin. And goodbye po sa inyong lahat. Sana po makabalik po rin ako dito sa next fiesta ninyo. God bless you all, Papa! I love you guys! May interview pa pala. Meron pa po ba? Wala. Okay, meron pa pala interview. Excited ako umalis. Okay, I'm back. Wala po silang mic. Sound.
Ladies and gentlemen!
Julian Juan!
Ayan, napakaswerte ko naman yung microphone talaga yung hahawakan ko. Kanina galing sa akin to eh. Pero once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause to Jillian Ward!
Grabe, total performer! Kumusta naman ang stay mo dito sa Santo La Union? Bigyan din yung mic na.
Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Siyempre, masaya po ako unang-una sa lahat dahil naimbitahan po ako sa fiesta po ng Santo La Union. Maraming salamat po. At maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Alam kong late na po pero may energy pa rin kayo kaya maraming salamat po.
Alam mo, pag nakikita niyo siya dito, ano siya, pawis, pero ang ganda. Masyadong maganda.
Tagaktak na yung pawis niya, pero ang ganda-ganda pa
Paano
rin.
yun?
Thank you so much.
Oo.
Salamat po.
Jayan, baka naman, saan ka namin pwedeng susunod na aabangan?
Ayan, syempre po, sana abangan niyo po araw-araw ang abot kamay na pangarap. Mukhang madali pong manonood ng abot kamay. Okay lang po ba na kantahan ko po kayo? Alam niyo ba yung kanta ng abot kamay? Sabayan niyo po ako, ha? Okay. Ikaw ang aking sa gabing madilim, ikaw ang bawat sana sa lahat ng hiling. Sa hirap man mo sa saya, patuloy na ikaw pa rin. Sagot sa aking dalangin. Thank you so much!
Grabe. Eugene, feeling ko ito yung isa sa mga pinakagusto nilang tanongin ka. Ano daw po ang pwede namin abangan ka? Ano mangyayari kay Doc Adam?
Ayun, syempre maraming po pong mangyayari. Ano pa pong gagawin sa kanya ni Ma'am Moira at si Doc Carlos? Kailan po magpapakita ulit si Doc Carlos? At syempre po ang love life ni Annalyn. Kanino po ba kayo boto? Kay Haki ba? Kay Regan? Or kay Doc Linton? Oh!
Parang mas madaming kinilig doon Oo, mas madaming kinilig. Mas madaming may boto sa
Kay
kanya.
Doc Linton?
Oo.
Pero lahat sila, love ko silang lahat.
Ay, wala siyang favoritism ngayon. Pero aabangan natin kung sino talaga ang
Tama.
makakatuluyan ni Doc Annalyn.
Oo,
And
aabangan po natin yan. Alam mo, Ma'am Dayan, Ma'am, ayan, hindi ako makapagsalita eh. Nandito ako ngayon sa harap ni Doc Annalyn at ni Ma'am Jillian. Pero, ayan, hingin po namin, Ma'am, before we let you go, ayan, nandito po ang ating mga Little Santo candidates, pero hingin po namin na makikipag-picture sila sa inyo. Pero, Ma'am Dayan, kukunin ko na talaga. Kukunin ko na talaga yung pagkakataon, Ma'am. Maki-selfie naman kami sa'yo.
Sorry po. Dito ka. Dito sa gitna. Dito sa gitna natin.
Well, ayan o. And there you go! Ayan! At yan, makikipicture scene. Ayan o.
Thank you talaga, Ma'am Lynn. Na syempre, Mayor and Vice for trusting us on this. Sana, di wala tayong picture with Doc Annalyn. Okay, so dear candidates, dito na tayo. Picture tayo with Miss Jillian Ward.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, bigyan po natin our Ilocano way of saying thank you. Isang masigabong palakpakan para kay Jillian Ward. Ayan.
May last po akong request sa inyo kayong lahat? Okay lang po ba? Mag-picture po tayo lahat. Buksan niyo po yung mga flashlights ninyo. Ang mga flashlights, buksan. Ayan, hintayin natin. Ayan, ang ganda!
Flashlight!
Lahat po ng flashlights!
Lights on, please!
Flashlights!
Ang ating pong mga flashlights, ayan.
Magpapapicture po ako sa inyo. Smile po kayo. Smile! Thank you so much!
Maraming salamat! Julian Ward! Maraming salamat po, maraming salamat po. Ayan, and to the whole team of Jillian Ward, thank you so much
Thank you
for
so much.
being with Santon.